Camera mode, stream. All right. Hello there. How do you like this outfit? What if I tell you that it is AI generated? Yeah, it is. So in this video I'm gonna show how you can make your own AI generated outfit for VRChat avatar for free. Let's go. We'll get through these 4 steps: making 2D image, then 3D, then rig it, then upload to VR. First, show ChatGPT your model and tell it to make sketches of your new outfit. So here it makes a cool sketch. Actually, these clothes. Then you can ask it to make clothes without character. There we go. Then you can make adjustments. Sometimes you want to make clothes in A pose, sometimes in T pose. I think T pose is better, but it depends. So we ask ChatGPT to make it in T pose. There we go. Then we go to hyper3d.ai to convert this image to 3D mesh. Basically we just upload image, then wait, then hit confirm 3 times. First for the mesh, second for the texture. And third, then we just download whatever it comes up with. Then we go to Blender. Here I already prepared the model with and without cloth. Then we import here our model. Here it is. Then we add texture, also from the same folder. Yeah, we select emission, then image texture, then we select the actual image. There we go. So we imported our stuff to Blender. Now we scale and move to fit the character. There we go. This is the tricky part. So to actually rig it, you need to do this fancy algorithm. So basically you attach your model to the bones, then you deform them to match your character, then you deattach, then you apply changes, then you revert bones to the default state, and then you repeat this until clothes match your character perfectly. And for the final run you attach the model one last time, and I prefer to do it without tail, so it wouldn't mess around. It sounds hard, but it's not that hard. It's actually easier than it sounds. So yeah, just reveal the bones, then attach, then make adjustments. Then go to modifiers and apply, then revert, then do it again. For this run I'm making sleeves longer, because this model has short hands. And this is the final run. Finally attach model to the character without using tail. Then you can see that there is like loose weights. You just paint them with weight paint. Okay, that's it. Good enough. then save to fbx file, then go to Unity. Oh yeah, clean up the unnecessary stuff, then save to fbx. Then using Unity, go to Unity, remove your old avatar, insert new one, insert freshly created one, say that it's humanoid, then select materials, and of course you need to select materials that you freshly create. There we go. And that's basically it. Then you go for a test run, see if everything's alright, looks alright. Then you upload to VR. And of course after fix all the issues. Then you upload to VR. And there we go. Our new model, freshly uploaded. Well, in real project you have to pay more attention to detail, but for this demonstration this kinda alright, right? Well, I hope it was useful. See you around.